Hello everyone, I am Dr. Piyush Juneja. I am an Ayurvedic physician, and today the topic of discussion is diabetes. As we all know that in India we are developing as a nation of diabetes capital of the world, and in every family if we see there are some cases of diabetes coming up. In fact, these days we have seen that people from their late 20s or early 30s also start getting diabetes as a problem in their health. And Ayurveda can help you a lot as far as the management of diabetes is concerned, because the issue here is whenever you go for any pathy, the system needs to strengthen and enable your pancreas to support your insulin. So Ayurveda is a system in which the medicines will help your pancreas to promote the health of the cells, and eventually it will help in your diabetes. Basically, what is diabetes? If you see, it's a problem in your beta cells, and due to that insulin level in your blood is not under control, and in that issue the blood glucose level shoots because the insulin is a regulator of glucose. So whenever we are taking any food, any sweet, anything which is involved as far as the glucose or carbohydrates are concerned, a diabetic person is not able to control that level in the blood, and the glucose level is elevated. Now if we see, diabetes is not a problem, but due to diabetes there are many other diseases which can occur in a body. Like in eyes, it's known as diabetic retinopathy. In nerves, it is diabetic neuropathy. In kidneys, it's diabetes nephropathy. So many organs can get affected if the blood glucose level is not under control. So diabetes itself is not a disease, but due to diabetes there can be many diseases and many organs can get affected, and ultimately it can lead to a very serious problem as well in any individual. So we need to understand that management of the diabetes is very crucial, and with Ayurveda, with very simple Ayurvedic medicines, we are able to manage diabetes in a very longer duration. The quality of life of all the diabetic patients under Ayurvedic management is comparatively better as compared to other pathies, and the duration and the like I can say the period of health is also improved. In Ayurveda we are using certain medicines as well as we are doing therapies or treatments known as Panchkarma. So in Panchkarma we are doing various therapies and various treatments in our center, and we are getting excellent results, and people are having a good control on their blood glucose level and HbA1c levels these days. So we will suggest all of you, if you are facing problem with diabetes or any of your friend or family having this problem, consult a good Ayurvedic physician. You can consult me as well on Librate, and you can find a better solution to control your diabetes so that your quality of life will be improved and you can lead a healthy life. Thank you.